Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for much for being here tonight to celebrate my 70th birthday. Seeing so many family members, friends, and loved ones gathered together fills my heart with joy and gratitude. Reaching 70 years old is truly a blessing. As I look back to my life, I'm thankful for all the experience, lessons, and challenges and blessings that have brought me to this moment. Life has not always been easy, but through faith, perseverance, and the support of family and friends, I have been blessed and wonderful journey. Before we continue the celebration, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to some very special people who helped make me tonight possible. To my nephew Tyson, Silverjaw Portito, thank you for organizing the flow of tonight's event and helping ensure everything and turn smoothly. To my nephew Axel John and his partner Edison, thank you for the beautiful decoration. Everything looks wonderful and your hard work has made this celebration even more special. To my sister-in-law Hobita, thank you for helping me plan this event, accompanying me as we reaches for the perfect venue and the preparing additional dessert for everyone to enjoy. Your support and generosity meant so much to me. To my niece with Samantha in Qatar, thank you for the beautiful cake despite the distance. Your love and thoughtfulness are here with us tonight. And so lovely in Paris. Thank you for the other beautiful cake for being part of the celebration from afar. Joy. I also like to acknowledge my son Brian, who unfortunately could not be here tonight because he is in Canada. Although he's far away, he asked me to express the sincere thanks and appreciation to all of you to joining in celebrating this special day. He's grateful for your love, support, and for helping make this milestone birthday such a memorable occasion. As I celebrate this special milestone, I am reminded that the greatest blessing in life are not material things, but the love of family, the support of friends, and the memories we created together. Thank you for being part of my life and for sharing this wonderful evening with me. Your presence here tonight, a gift that I will always treasure. May God bless each every one of you with good health, happiness, and many more years of blessing. Muchas gracias con todos ustedes. Enjoy the evening. Let us continue celebrating together. God bless all.